Well, greetings from West Virginia on the banks of the New River.
It's almost heaven.
It's West Virginia. That's right. We're going to highlight 3 beautiful stops that are near New River Gorge National Park.
And at these stops, you're going to be seeing my favorite, waterfalls.
This one is sort of unique. It was just a quick pull off the highway. It is a wonderful place for a picnic because the sound is amazing. So they have a lot of picnic tables here, they have bathrooms, and they have a nice little wooden lookout where you can check out Brooks Falls.
Yeah, so Brooks Falls, you're gonna drive by this at first and you're gonna think, where's the falls? But it is right below the platform. It is a 10-foot drop and it is considered a Class 3 floatable rapid. This river is pretty cool because it's very wide but very shallow. And you know, it even looks like you could walk across, except of course for the current. And you'll see lots of like ducks and geese and things standing out on the rocks all the way across the river.
So we hope you like this look at Brooks Falls. Our next stop is Sandstone Falls.
Sandstone Falls is just a couple miles down the road from Brooks Falls, and it is the largest waterfall in New River Gorge National Park. It spans the whole river at 1,500 feet, and it drops anywhere from 10 feet to 25 feet.
Sandstone Falls marks the transition zone of the New River from where it is shallow and wide and a little more calm to where it is rushing and narrow and cutting through the boulder-strewn V-shaped gorge, and then downstream it joins the Gauley River to eventually form the Kanawha River. There's easy parking access here, they have vault toilets, and as you can see, we are the only ones here.
You can take a hike when you go to visit Sandstone Falls. Right off of the boardwalk is a short loop trail called the Island Loop Trail. You go around a small island to see the habitat in the area. Make sure when you're climbing around on the rocks that you realize that sometimes they're slippery and they move. This time, I'm the bleeder in the family. Usually it's Eric. Now that we've checked out the largest falls, we're gonna go check out something that is my favorite, a mill that has a waterfall. So we're gonna travel a little further and we're gonna go to Babcock State Park.
Not far from New River Gorge National Park is the beautiful Babcock State Park.
This state park has one of the most iconic photographed places in the country, I believe.
Yeah.
It is the Glade Creek Grist Mill, and it is beautiful. If any of you know me at all, one of my favorite things to do is to go mill hunting. And luckily where we live, there are tons of beautiful ones. So I was so excited to hear that one of the most iconic ones was going to be on our trip to West Virginia.
So check out this beautiful grist mill.
is actually a new mill that was built around 1976. It is a replica of a mill that did exist long ago, and it is a fully functioning mill. You can tour the mill on Saturdays and Sundays. They have it open at that point. Sadly, today is a Monday, so we couldn't go in, but it is a beautiful place to come visit. You've got to check this out if you are ever in West Virginia. So we hope you enjoyed our look at 3 beautiful waterfalls in the new River Gorge National Park area. Make sure that when you come to this area that you take some time to do some waterfall hunting.
So go out and explore, because today is an adventure day.